These viral drinks have taken over TikTok and Instagram. From apple cider vinegar tonics to lemon chia water and iced matcha lattes, people swear they help with fat loss, bloating, and energy. But do they really work? Or is it just aesthetic hype? Let's break down what's real, what's a scam, and which drinks you should absolutely try tomorrow morning. Detox? Fat burning? What's legit? For years, weight loss content was about pills and heavy workouts. Today, it's trending drinks with 3 ingredients and 15-second edits. But why are they viral? Because they promise faster results, simpler routines, and clean energy in a bottle. Now, let me show you which of these drinks actually do something with science. Drink 1. Lemon plus warm water. Not a magic fat burner, but does support digestion, detox liver, and reduce bloating first thing in the AM. Drink 2. Green tea plus ginger. Backed by study, can increase fat oxidation by up to 10 to 17%. Ginger adds anti-inflammatory effect. University of Connecticut 2022. Drink 3. Cucumber plus mint water. Great hydration booster. Mentally satisfying. Cuts cravings. These aren't miracle potions, but done daily, they compound. Fat-burning coffee with coconut oil high in calories. Might feel keto-friendly, but may wreck your deficit. 450 plus kcal in 1 mug equals no-go chlorophyll water. Trendy, green, and pretty useless unless you're a plant. Tart cherry juice before bed equals miracle weight loss. Mild sleep support, yes. Major fat burn, no. Now, let me show you what the best health creators drink daily and why it actually works. 3 viral drinks that actually boost your fat loss routine. Drink 1. Iced unsweetened matcha latte. Clean. Focus energy. No crash like coffee. Boost metabolism by 8 to 10%. Add almond milk for taste. Drink 2. Apple cider vinegar tonic. Proven to stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings before meals. How to use. Drink 30 minutes before eating. Bonus. Low-cal electrolyte water. Keeps hydration high equals better. Metabolism and fewer false hunger signals. But here's the real weight loss drink no one talks about. Is water. Sound boring? That's because no one can brand it. But hydration alone can improve energy, digestion, and even reduce calorie intake by 13%, especially when timed right, before meals and right after waking up. Stat card. 500 milliliters water equals 13% less intake equals not a myth. Don't chase hype. Master basics. So much of weight loss today is driven by marketing, not science. Yes, viral drinks can help, but only when they support real habits. Start small. Stay consistent. And if it doesn't come in a can, you probably on the right path. Subscribe to Thrive Theory for no BS, science-based fat loss support every week. Comment your favorite drink below, and I'll reply with a bonus tip.